What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today was a great day in crypto. A lot of exciting stories, a lot of exciting things with technical indicators, and also with regulators. But before we dive in, it says about 72% of you are still not subscribed to the channel. So if you enjoy short form, concise, no BS content that doesn't waste either of our times, because I hate wasting time, well, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also, Patreon is officially sold out, so make sure to check out our free Discord using the link down below while that is still open. Anyways, first thing is the overall crypto market is up about 5% over the last 24 hours, and we're seeing Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Solana, and basically every single crypto is in the green. Most exciting thing though, and the reason why we are seeing this spike in the market is for a couple of big things. The first is with regards to a government shutdown bill. Senate and the House on Wednesday evening agreed to pass a short-term spending bill that would fund the government, the US government, for until about the middle of December 2021. As soon as we saw this announcement come out, we saw Bitcoin's price immediately go from $40,000 per coin up to $43,000 per coin. And within an hour of this announcement coming out, there was a lot of fear that this wasn't going to go through, but as soon as we saw this announcement, Bitcoin's price jumped. Second thing is with the crypto fear and greed index. Right now, the crypto fear and greed index is at 20, which is showing extreme fear. And last time we saw this was right before we saw a massive rally in crypto, which is a great sign. We've talked about this a lot. When the rest of the market is very fearful, that's the time to be greedy. That's the time to buy. Third thing is with regards to historical data. Historically, September is a red month. We're still going to close the month in the red, but what we are seeing is that many people are gearing up and getting very excited about October, November, and December, which have historically been very green months. Big story of the day, though, is with Plan B. The founder of the stock to flow model came out on Twitter. He retweeted something, and he showed us one of his tweets from June 20th, 2021. He had said that the worst case scenario for crypto back in June was going to be $47,000 for Bitcoin in August, which was almost exactly what happened. We saw Bitcoin's price at $47,500. Then he said for September, the worst case scenario was going to be Bitcoin's price at $43,000 per coin. That is nearly exactly the number we are at right now. Right now, Bitcoin's price is slightly above that, when yesterday it was at only $40,000 per coin. So he called August and September. Now he's saying August, worst case scenario, looks like 63,000, and by December 2021, he thinks the worst case scenario is going to be $135,000 per coin. So while, he has had a lot of correct predictions in the past with August, September, he's had a lot of correct predictions with the stock to flow model. He was the creator of that. While we can't just say, okay, if he calls it, it's going to happen. While we can't guarantee that, it is interesting to see that he has picked multiple prices when the rest of the market was unsure. He has picked the numbers exactly almost to a T, what the numbers were going to be. So based on his calculations, which I would say are pretty good to follow, he thinks Bitcoin's price could reach $135,000 per coin, worst case, by December of 2021. Last story is going to be with regards to Chamath Palihapitiya, billionaire investor. He's been a long-time Bitcoin bull, a long-time Tesla bull, and what he just came out and said in a recent interview earlier today is that he just put hundreds of millions of dollars into Bitcoin. He says he mainly owns Bitcoin, not as many like other altcoins, but he thinks that this hundreds of millions of dollars could get very big and turn into billions of dollars. He doesn't know exactly how high Bitcoin's price could go. Previously, he has said about $300,000 per coin, but he's saying now this thing is going to get really, really big. And the interesting thing here is that he has been a long-time Tesla bull. He has said, why would anyone sell Tesla? Back in January, he said, don't sell a single share of Tesla. But now he came out in the interview today and said he has sold his entire position in Tesla to invest in other things. At the same time, he came out and said he invested in Bitcoin. Is it a coincidence? I think he probably used a lot of the money he sold for Tesla to actually buy Bitcoin. So to see someone who is a longtime Tesla bull, who has said not to sell a single share of Tesla, now saying that he is going more heavily into Bitcoin, this is a great sign. He is not the only person saying this. We are seeing Galaxy Digital's Mike Novogratz say the same thing. We're seeing Michael Saylor from MicroStrategy say the same thing. Many people are very bullish on crypto right now, and there are a lot of positive catalysts in the market. Let me know your thoughts. That's what's going on in crypto, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. See you guys.